Hi, another travel blog for you on the subject of packing your bags. I just wanted to share with you this little idea which could save you a lot of space in your luggage. I got this from, of all places, I got this from the pound shop. There are other pound shops available, however it was £1 and I thought, well, that's brilliant, because that actually gives you 2 of these. Now you might say to yourself, what the heck can you do with those? Well, they actually are quite good for saving space. So what you do is you get your clothes and obviously put them inside. Obviously trying to fill up the bag, and then I've lost them. So what you do is you put your clothes in to the bag and obviously fill up the bag as best you can, and then you use the little peg provided to make the seal. And this is live TV, so you're going to find that it's actually not going to work first time. So you make the seal, and then what you do is you make the air go out of the bag as best you can. Now obviously I've only got one item in my bag, so it's not a very good example. However, it does show you what happens, and all of the air is out, and it's actually a smaller space taken up in your suitcase. And then the other thing that I always do, purely from a point of view that I want to find my luggage quickly, and there's literally hundreds of cases out there that you're going to be able to look for. How do you identify your case? Well, I've got these straps which you can buy off the internet actually, and you can have them put your name on, and obviously they're a very bright blue with a red stripe and your name. When you put them round your case, you put one round the middle obviously, and then you put one round lengthwise. Then you can see your case from a distance, and obviously you've got your name. So I'll do that again, shall I? So the other thing that I've had done is I've had some straps done. I've had these, the other thing I've had done is these straps with my name on, and it's blue with the red stripe. I've had 2 done so that you can put one around the middle and then one lengthwise, and they've got my name on, and they're bright blue with the red stripe on. And obviously, I must say obviously all the time. Why am I saying obviously? Anyway, so that's it for this time. Very short vlog, extras to take with you and to help you pack your bags. So until next time, don't forget to like and share the video, and I'll see you next time.